Kirkey racing seat. It goes right there. So I'm going to put in the TTSaleen right there. So I just removed the Mach 1 seat. See it there? I'm getting ready to install it in here. But as you notice, we need a bracket to make it go down in there properly. So there's a company called Racecraft, and they make a bracket that'll bolt it in. That's the part number. So now what we're going to do, I'm going to cut all this open so you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this is the part that attaches to the side of the seat, and then this attaches to the floor, and then this bolts on like so with different mounting positions there. Alright, now we're gonna take that out. Back of instructions here. Oh cool, it gave me a little koozie. Nice. Alright, so let's see how these brackets go. Looks like that would go in like so. There. And this one would go like so. So I probably have them on the wrong side. Probably goes there. And this probably goes there. That would look more like it. Okay, so you see the stud comes through here for the front. And then back here, you put your bolt through. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see if that's right or not. Like I say, no instructions. So the way this is, though, you would think it would be the way I had it to begin with. Something like that and something like that. Guess got to find out how wide the part is for the bottom of the seat. So that's over here. This thing is really light. I like it. So I'll flip this over and we'll look how we're going to do these sides. But I think it's supposed to be something like this. Something like that, I believe. Alright, something interesting I just found out. My seat didn't come with any holes already drilled in it for the side. I don't know if that's just common for these drag seats or not. That's what I'm talking about. So when I go to bolt this bracket up, which is supposed to be somewhere around in here, there's no holes drilled in this from Kirkey, which is kind of weird. You see there's certain holes drilled in different places, but not down here. Not a big deal. I'll go ahead and figure out about where I want mine, and I'll drill the holes myself. We'll make it happen. Just something to keep in mind. Buying these brackets, it's just not direct bolting because my seat didn't have the holes for it. And yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so now we've got our brackets on. We can tilt this up and down as necessary once I get in here, but basically we're going to pick a couple holes here to put the brackets onto and see about how far up or back I need it to be. Alright. Not bad right there. Let's see about where I've got my bolt set, and for my height and everything, that's pretty much where I need it. So now I figure out where to put the rest of my bolts and everything in here, and straighten it all up. Ready to put it back in. So the way this works is submarine belt in the bottom, like that. So you get your bottom straps in first. You pull them down tight till you get the tightness that you want, because you want to keep this tight around your hips first. Then you hook in your uppers, like so. This new cam lock is awesome. And then you pull down on these straps. Get situated where you should be in the seat. Just like that. Like that. Okay. Now we're in. I can still move a little bit, so tighten down a little bit more. There we go. I'm secure. Shut this. We're steering about where we want it when we race. Should be about right in there. Okay. So now we launch. put our helmet against the headrest, trans brake, wide open throttle, bump in, let go of the trans brake, and it should be instant. Boom! The only thing I don't have is a support on the back of the seat to the roll bar, which I'm going to get next. It's adjustable, so it pushes on the back of the seat, so you don't have that little bit of play like that. But overall, works great.